Hey guys, what's up? This is Shubhadeep from eGadgets for you, and in this video I have a very quick fix for you. Actually, yes, this particular fix is from an Android phone that I've been using currently, the Samsung Galaxy S41, because my R13 Pro is broken. Anyways, whatever, I was finding this particular thing that you can find on the screen right now, this irritating notification, and I was not able to go through it. So in this video I will show you a very easy fix, a quick fix, how to get rid of this particular notification, and if you don't want it, this particular thing will not come and bother you as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So hey guys, as you can see over here, this is the screen that I'm talking about, and in the notification section, if you see, you can actually remove every notification that you have over here on your Android phone, specifically your Samsung phones. And then this particular notifications, the data warning, it's very irritating. Even when you are in mobile data, let me show you, you cannot actually just remove this particular notification. It's very hard. And so yes, I was using iPhone for some time, and now recently my iPhone has got this weird yellow screen and the display is fully broken and all because of that weird yellow screen. So I had to sell my iPhone. I was compelled to, because I don't have the money to replace this display. Anyway, topics of discussion for another day. Anyway, so I am using this particular phone, F41, Samsung Galaxy F41. Yes, I am using this particular phone, and yes, this is something which is actually irritating me a lot. And yes, I've got a fix for it, so I want to share it with you. So it's very easy actually. Now, as you can see, you cannot just do anything over here, this data warning and notification over here. So what you need to do is that go to settings, and once you went to settings, you just go to connections over here, and over there you will find data usage. Once you go to data usage, you see the mobile data is on and everything is over there. But just go to mobile data usage over here, just go to mobile data usage, and on the top right corner you will find the settings symbol. Go to settings symbol, and here you will see the set data warning. Just switch it off and you'll see it's gone. So it's a very easy fix, but it's very irritating. You cannot let go of this particular notification. So I thought of making this particular video. So that's it guys. I hope this particular video was helpful. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and sharing with your friends and families. And while you're at it, please stay subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. A lot of interesting tech updates will happen in this particular channel as we speak. So that's it guys for this particular video. Bye for now.